Hello everyone, welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the steps to generate a Dubai Custom Exit Entry certificate in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in Fresa Application. After a successful login, this is how our dashboard looks like. Navigate to the Documentation module and select the All Jobs menu. Open the respective job number. Click Reports and select the Dubai Custom Exit Entry Certificate report. This report will be generated in the required Dubai Custom format with shipment details, certificate number, consignee shipper details, cargo details, and custom reference information. These are the steps to generate a Dubai Custom Exit Entry certificate for a job in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.